Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog, welcome to my sphere. So guys, Sunday को मतलब 4th April को my छोट दीदी has her birthday. So I wanted to make this really very special. Let's get started and see कि ये कैसे turn out होता है. And let's get started. This birthday girl is busy with her phone. Let her complete. Okay, so we are going to play a game of treasure hunt, and there is a treasure waiting for you inside our house, and you need to solve the clues and find the treasure all by yourself. And the first clue is this. Read it out loud and tell everyone what is it written.
Okay, so this is the first sheet. Here begins your treasure hunt. Check near Bhuchung Dadai to find the first clue. All the best. Okay, I have to check near Bhuchung Dadai's picture.
So let's get started. Bol.
I'm very excited about this. Okay, so first Bhuchung Dadai or second one?
Find it out by yourself. না রে নেই ওটাই যা আমি হেল্প করে দিলাম ওইটাই যা ফার্স্ট ক্লু তো ওকে সো আদি আমরা একটা ট্রেজার হান্ট খেলছি তো দিদিভাইয়ের জন্য একটা ট্রেজার রাখা আছে তার জন্য অনেকগুলো ক্লু আছে দিদিভাই একটা করে ক্লু পড়ছে
Soft and plump, I will be right there. Throughout your dreams, you will keep me near. I will keep you comfy all through the night, and you will leave me here in the morning light. Okay, this is pillow, I guess.
या सो बोल पहले तुम सोचो कि तुम कहाँ पे सोती हो डिड यू गेट इट अरे search under this pillows see I'm helping you out
Oh, I got this.
okay
Flat and black, seemingly boring. I sit in the living room all day, not until you turn me on. Do color flash on my display. Okay, I think this is TV.
yeah right yeah I got
Okay, I
the
got
next one
What goes up and down but does not move? This is where you wrote a note when you were about to shift from Odisha.
I can understand. Okay, I can understand.
Little tough. I think stairs.
yeah correct okay look at this side
Okay. I have all the answers. Can create many a thing. There's really no telling what my keys and tailless mouse might bring. Okay.
okay come downstairs and here's my brother and she's thinking सोचो क्या हो सकता है टेललेस माउस इस घर में तो कंप्यूटर है नहीं सो वी कैन रूल आउट कंप्यूटर एंड द थिंग या करेक्ट
Which phone? There are many phones.
see the first phone that you can see nearby yeah and you got the next clue दाड़ाओ
They are excited more than me.
even I am
Tall and strong. I stay outside. The sun, the rain, they are by my side. I give birds homes and help you breathe. I even give you fruit and eat. put to it. Sorry.
आदि हेल्प करो उसको.
Check where
I know,
we
I know,
used
I know.
to play badminton. Okay, it's outside.
Yeah. Let's go.
There is no light.
Yeah. No, you're going too far. Search nearby.
Turn on the.
I think it's a piece of paper. Find it out. Don't go that far. Come nearby. अरे ये दिखा है.
Sitting on my flat.
हाँ, sure. Come nearby.
Here, maybe. Yes, I got it.
Good. आदि देखते पेली ना.
আমি দেখতে পেয়েছি আগে
Adi is more intelligent.
So, look at me and you
I am
will see a
intelligent than
familiar
him.
sight.
Her.
Just stand in front and I will show you exactly how the world will know you.
What can that be?
Mirror?
Yeah, you're correct. सही हो तुम. चलो.
Wow, I am quite intelligent.
Yes, you are. बेशक.
Oh,
आदि घुस देगा चाइना को था. And here is the next clue.
Okay, bye.
okay, I got this. I get cold, but my door within gets colder. I keep food fresh and help it from getting older. Like a fridge
Yes, you are
in
correct.
front of me. So, let me switch something.
अब तुम सोचो कहाँ पर है होगा.
There are a lot of things.
सामने ही अच्छे. Adi is helping her out.
I got this. Thank you.
Yeah. You're quite near the end.
When looking at these items, you will see some bristles. They get put inside your mouth, but they are not.
Adi got the answer.
For this, use with paste to keep your teeth white and clean. Okay, I guess this is toothbrush or toothpaste.
Yeah, let's find it out.
Happy birthday! Thank you. Happy birthday, Disha. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And she got the next clue.
This might be open when it's hot and be closed if it has rained. If you look on some old crunches, this has glass that has been stained. Okay.
I don't know.
This is a little bit tough. है बोल.
Okay, this is window.
Finally she got the answer. তো কাজটা में आगे হয়ে যাবে.
This one.
Yeah, find it out.
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে রাত্রি 12টার সময় ঠিক আছে
হ্যাঁ সবাই কাজকাম করি. আমরা তো তখন তাই জন্য সকাল
Yes, you got it. Okay, now read it out.
পাওয়া গেছে
আমার অ্যাবাকাসের তলা ছিল.
People knock me
Last one.
but lock me up after their visitors go. Open me and I will lead you to open sky under which you love to click photographs. You know you will find the treasure there. Okay, upstairs.
Yes.
It's terrace.
She got it at the first go. And now we'll get the treasure.
Oh, thank
And here she got the treasure.
This is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay, this is like this. and he is more excited than me.
Yeah, you can see her. You can see
So
him.
let's open it.
Yeah, we'll go downstairs and open it. And we'll definitely show you guys what's there inside. And here she is opening the gift.
আজকে খুলবো মানে I'm going to open it at last. So first I got this earring. Thank you. ঠিকই আছে।
খুলে দেখ।
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so this one I made it all by myself. Wait, it's like
আদি পরিয়ে দে তো।
this.
Is it like this? I'm going to wear it.
And here she is.
Thank you.
See, it matches with your dress.
Okay, here is one nail polish. Block.
Okay, so here's another gift. Let's open it.
কোঠারে।
Okay, so this is also customized by me. And it's like this. Thank you. Welcome.
One more. This is the last one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. We are once again heading towards Kalitola and she will be telling us how she felt after this little game of treasure hunt.
I mean this. আমি বাংলাতেই বলছি
হ্যাঁ, বল।
আমি এক্সপেক্টই করিনি আমি ওকে আসার আগে বলে রেখেছিলাম যে যেন কিছু প্ল্যান না করে কারণ আমি নিজের বার্থডে নিয়ে একদম এক্সাইটেড হই আর আমি জানতামই না কি ও এত কিছু করেছে আমি দাঁড়াতে পারছি না। আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে
দেখ আমাকে তুই হাইফাই করতে বারণ করেছিলি, আমি হাইফাই কিছু করিনি, জাস্ট আ লিটল গেম।
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ আই হ্যাভেন্ট এক্সপেক্টেড লাইক দিস ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ
So the birthday girl is here and this is her pinata cake.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Chundiri. Happy birthday.
থ্যাংক ইউ
দারুণ করেছে কাল থেকে
বল কেমন লাগলো?
দুটো থেকে লড়ে যাচ্ছে দিশা রাত
হাই
হ্যাঁ অবভিয়াসলি তোর
তুলেছিস ছবি? কি করলি? কোথায় ছবি?
জানি না কোথায়
যা বাবা।
এপিক। বল কোন চিজ খেয়ে কেমন লাগছে?
আমি খুব হ্যাপি
এই তুলেছে তো, এই তো তুলেছে, ভিডিও তুলেছে না, ছবি তুলেছে। এই তো।